All right, worried about leaving your home unprotected this summer? Let's talk do-it-yourself security cameras. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy. Follow me at cyberguy.com where my newsletter is free. Now, these nifty gadgets have become a must-have for keeping your property safe while you're away. Only problem is that with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? I got good news for you. First things first, let's decide if you need indoor or outdoor cameras. Indoor ones are perfect for keeping an eye on things inside when you're away, while outdoor cameras brave the elements to guard your perimeter. Now, let's talk features. Resolution is really key here. Aim for at least 720p resolution for crystal clear footage, and don't forget about field of view. Wider is often better for covering more ground. Now, if you're planning on outdoor surveillance, night vision lets the camera capture faces in the dark. I like cameras that identify activity like a package dropped off or familiar faces and even pets. Motion detection is another cool feature that'll alert you when something's moving in frame. And if you want to chat with visitors or scare off intruders, look for two-way audio on your camera. Speaking of storage, decide between local or cloud options. Cloud storage gives you more space, but local storage is great for offline access. Remember, a good camera should be easy to connect to your Wi-Fi and control from your phone. And if you're going to go for outdoor cameras, make sure that they can handle your local weather. Mount cameras high enough to avoid tampering, but low enough to capture faces clearly. Lastly, don't skimp on quality. Go for a reputable brand with solid customer support. Your peace of mind is totally worth it, right? I've got more tech tips at cyberguy.com. Are you getting my newsletter? It's free by clicking the little red button.